This chapter opens with a lyrical quote. "Let me take you on a trip around the world and back. You won't have to move, you just sit still." Depeche Mode. I don't think meditation was what David Gaughan had in mind when he wrote this, but the lyrics are definitely a great way to summarize elements of it. Returning to where I began with musings, I used a winged seed as a platform for introducing the experience of meditation. It becomes apparent that once the practice takes root and is cultivated, there will be a personal evolution where notions including truth, peace, happiness, and love grow, perish, and blossom to become more of what they are for you to be who you are. This gift is perennial. There are vast benefits and effects: joy, gratitude, peace, clarity, flexibility, compassion, focus, and gentleness, to name a few. Whether you're looking to recharge your batteries, seeking resolution to questions, improve sports performance, or expand your comfort zone, the meditative process can facilitate these and more. The aim is to source the current of meditation in everyday living, and hopefully this guide has provided you with tools to introduce and integrate the methods for your own benefit. As you grow, the process evolves with you. Simple methods, practical means to immediately transform the moment.